How's it going, everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today, I'll be taking a closer look at 5.0 Resto's kick panels designed for the 1983 to 1993 convertible Fox body Mustangs. If you are a Fox body enthusiast who just so happens to own a convertible, then these 5.0 Resto kick panels need to be on your restoration to-do list. Like many interior components in Fox Mustangs, the kick panels are often damaged because of their location, or in some cases, they're completely missing from the car. Well, these kick panels from 5.0 Resto are the perfect solution for those situations. Each kick panel is molded from Ford tooling, so the grain and texture is going to be right on the money, as well as the provisions for the clips and the push pins. Currently, these kick panels are available in a smoke gray or a black finish. Smoke gray is correct for 1987 to 1989 Fox Mustangs, and the black panels are going to be correct for 1990 to 1993 cars, or any one that has or will be converting to black interior. Like many interior restoration pieces that we offer, some of you will have to paint these kick panels to match. If so, I would recommend purchasing the smoke gray panels, as this color is a lot easier to paint over than black. In the box will be one driver's side and one passenger side kick panel. Feel free to reuse your attaching hardware, but me personally, I would pick up new retaining hardware. Our 5.0 Resto hardware will contain everything you need to install both kick panels. Since convertible Fox bodies were only available from 1983 to 1993, you can ignore the self-tapping screws in our hardware kit, as they were intended for early 79 to 82 cars. If you're removing the existing kick panels, they come out in just a matter of minutes. Simply loosen and remove the 4 screws securing the scuff plate to the car, and then set the scuff plate aside. Carefully dislodge the push pin located at the front of the kick panel. Now you can pull straight back on the panel to dislodge the other 2 retaining clips. Tilt the panel at an angle to remove it from the A-pillar trim, and then set it aside. If you are painting these kick panels, pay attention, as I'm going to paint a set sand beige for our 88 convertible. This car is a work in progress, so be easy on it. First things first, you'll want to lightly scuff the surface. My go-to method is warm water and either a drop of Dawn dish soap or a little bit of all-purpose cleaner in combination with a light-duty scuff pad. Remember, our goal is to remove any mold release agents, all while lightly scuffing the panels so that our paint has a good surface to bond to. Of course, do this for both panels as well as the 2 push pins if needed. Towel dry everything off, or use compressed air to blow away the solution. The next step is to use a lint-free towel and a plastic-safe wax and grease remover on any surface that is going to be painted. Before painting, make sure that you shake the paint can very well and that you are working in a well-lit and well-ventilated area. I'm going to spray the underside of our panels first. This is referred to as cutting in and is completely optional. The underside is painted first so that you don't acquire overspray on the top side if you were to do that in reverse order. Hold the can approximately 6 to 8 inches away from the panel and then make overlapping passes with medium arm speed. Be sure and apply light coats and allow each one to tack for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After the last coat, I would allow the panel to fully dry for a few hours before handling it. Once you spray the underside and you've allowed it time to dry, go ahead and flip the panels over. Go ahead and spray the top side of the panels. Again, keep the can 6 to 8 inches away from the panel and make overlapping passes with medium arm speed. Ensure that you cover the panels extremely well, including the tight edges around the sides. Of course, don't forget about your 2 push pins. Once dry, install the 2 clips into their respective locations on the back side of the panel. These install with the top groove engaged into the panel. Feed the panel behind the A-pillar, and then align the clips with the body of the car. Go ahead and fully seat each clip. Install the short push pin if you're working on the passenger side. The longer of the two push pins will install on the driver's side. You can reinstall the scuff plate and its retaining hardware. Do the same for the other side, and then you're good to go. Wrapping things up here, guys, these 5.0 Resto kick panels are the perfect solution for your convertible restoration project, as they fit right into place thanks to the Ford tooling. Now, since I painted both sides of the panel, I went through 2 cans of our aerosol paint. If you plan on painting more interior surfaces along with the kick panels, I would recommend that you take a look at our paint systems. These systems have the ability to spray multiple coats on multiple panels, which would greatly benefit you if this is a large interior project. Of course, for the most current information, pricing, and availability on anything you may have seen in this video, be sure and reference lmr.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, lmr.com.